Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about the archery. Archery is the art, practice, sports or skill of using a bow for shoot arrows. The word comes from Latin arcus for bow. Historically, the archery is used for hunting and combat. In the modern times, it is a very competitive and recreational game. So, today we will learn about the shooting techniques and modern form of the fencing. Let's see in the details. First, we'll see shooting technique. The standard convention on teaching archery is to hold the bow depending upon the eye dominance. Therefore, if one is right eye dominant, they would hold the bow in the left hand and draw the string with the right hand. However, not everyone agrees with this line of thought. A smoother and more fluid release of the string will produce the most consistency repeatable shot and therefore may provide greater accuracy of the arrow flight. Some believe that the hand with the greatest dexterity should therefore be the hand that draws and releases the string. Either eye can be used for aiming and the less dominant eye can be trained over time to become more effective for use. To assist with this, an eye patch can be temporarily worn over the dominant eye. Now we will see the modern form of archery. To shoot an arrow, the archer first assumes the correct stance. The body should be at or nearly perpendicular to the target and the shooting line, with the feet placed shoulder width apart. As an archer progresses from the beginner to a more advanced level, other stances such as the open stance or the closed stance may be used. Although many choose to stick with the neutral stance, each archer has a particular preference, but mostly this term indicates that the leg furthest from the shooting line is a half to a whole foot length from the other foot on the ground. To load, the bow is pointed toward the ground, tipped slightly clockwise of vertical, and the shaft of the arrow is placed on the arrow rest or shelf. The back of the arrow is attached to bowstring with the nock. This step is called nocking the arrow. Typical arrows with 3 vanes should be oriented such as a single vane. The cock feather is pointing away from the bow to improve the clearance of the arrow as it passes the arrow rest. The compound bow is fitted with a special type of arrow rest known as a launcher, and the arrow is usually loaded with a cock feather pointed either up or down depending upon the type of launcher being used. Today we have learned the shooting techniques and modern form of the archery. In the next class we will see the aiming methods of the archery. Thank you.